Hey guys, it's Jay, and today's video going to be watching Season 5, Episode 4 of Game of Thrones. But before we get into this video, if you guys want early and uncut videos, head on to the Patreon down below for only $3 a month. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, this guy, bro, he just sticked him, bro. Oh, we about to take him now. You taking him back to the Lannisters? No way.
Is that Estamont?
Hearth, Sir Jamie. The Sapphire Isle.
This ship's sailing to Old Town. We'll get off earlier, not far from Sunspear. Row ourselves to the door. No?
I have. The Dornish are crazy. All they want to do is fight and fuck.
Bruh.
Dornish girl to clear your head for the next fight. It's how the two work together.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I am. But I don't imagine we'll get to stick around for the rest. Not after we've...
Kidnapping their princess. We're rescuing my niece, bringing her back to her family.
Yep.
I've been doing this sort of thing a long time. I'm good at it.
That's why you're here.
I know.
Not a wall.
That still doesn't explain what you're doing here.
He's not buying it, bruh.
If I'm putting something like this together, a one-handed man who happens to be one of the most... You set your brother free, didn't you?
Yep.
Varys set him free.
Nah, bruh.
Well, if you ever see the wee fucker, give him my...
Split him in two. And then I'll give him your regards.
Definitely cap, bruh.
Given the expense of rebuilding the royal
How much
fleet
can the crown afford?
with winter coming, less?
You're the master of coin. How do we pay them?
Well, house gold, and the crown would pay us back in time, or I'd have words with my daughter.
Oh my gosh.
He's ordered Cimmerian to personally lead your escort.
My very own king's guard. Please express
Safe
my...
travels, Lord Tyrell.
Well,
You just want him out of here, bruh.
the small council grows smaller and smaller.
Not small enough.
Yeah, bruh. She wanna just have free reign.
The old High Septon would have asked the vintage.
I could say that our minds are temples to the seven. But the truth is, I don't like the taste.
Oh. Low-key surprising, ain't gonna lie. Especially in this world, bruh.
The king himself cannot always punish those who deserve it most.
All sinners are equal.
What would you say if a sinner in our very midst, shielded by gold and privilege?
Oh my gosh. Dang. What the heck? They do not care, bruh. Dang. Oh.
This is Lord Peter Baelish's establishment.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh no, what is he about to see in here, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's over. Yep.
You think you are? Justice.
Oh, bro, think he Batman, bro. What? Oh my gosh.
I didn't order it.
We both know who did.
You told me she was. Are you saying my mother's behind this?
She's jealous you're not hers anymore. Brother, it's her revenge.
Aren't you and mother getting along?
Bro's so clueless.
Do you promise?
I demand that Sir Loris be freed now.
Did I arrest him?
Well, no. But you arm the faith militant.
Bro, oh my gosh.
Can't allow fanatics to arrest the Queen's brother, no matter his perversions.
Then. Can I tell Marjorie you have Sir Loris released?
I told you I'm not holding Sir Loris.
Oh.
Give the order, and we'll clear out this rabble.
Oh no.
Here at the step.
You'd be sending them to meet the gods that they love.
Oh no. Oh.
Filthy bastard! We'll find another way.
It's so weird looking at this and comparing him to Joffrey, bro. Like Joffrey would have, bro, created chaos right there without thought.
You're the king of the Andals, the lord of the seven, protector of the realm, and you let a band of fanatics imprison your brother by law.
Dang.
I don't know.
You don't know?
He was praying just now.
I have to send word to grandmother.
Will you come back later?
I need to be with my family, Your Grace.
Tough, bro. Bro just has a lack of confidence, bro. Like, a lot, bro. He's still scared of his mother, bro, even though he's the king.
Once before, you put your faith in Sir Devos and left me behind. I hope you won't make that mistake again.
I won't.
You only need faith, my king.
Dang. Going crazy.
Never even heard of these people. They haven't heard of you either. But we need men, and how many men does this Lord Mason have to send us?
Oh.
I'm sorry, but we need men and supplies, and Roose Bolton's the warden of the North.
No, bro.
And we can't get more men without help from the warden of the North.
Bro. No way. Actually signed it, bro?
How can I help you?
Come with us when we ride south. None of us know the castle as well. Its hidden tunnels, its weaknesses, its people. When don't you want to chase the rats out of it?
You just signed that paper.
Kingdoms.
There's only one war. Life against death.
Mm.
You resisted, and that's your mistake. Embrace it.
She's finessing him, bro. Like she always do this, bro.
Dennis would like that very much.
Then we shouldn't tell
Bruh.
him. Lovers. Only the living.
Yeah, bro, she need to chill out, bro. Dang.
No. But I still love her.
It's a lack of inner resources.
Were you bored a lot too?
her castle back.
I like
But
it. I thought I'd be left at home. I know Mother didn't want to bring me.
Why do you say that?
She told me I don't want to bring you.
Dang, bro.
Are you ashamed of me, Father?
Oh.
By the time we burnt the doll, it was too late. I was told you would die, or worse, slow. Let you grow just enough to know the world before taking it away from you.
Tough.
Russell. I told them all to go to hell.
Mm.
I called in every maester on this side of the world, every healer.
It's literally just her mom, bro.
You are the Princess Shireen of House Baratheon.
Mm-hmm.
And you are my daughter.
Dang, bro. That be seen, bro.
Once, I was a boy living with your mother's family. Lord Went held a great tournament. Everyone was there. The Mad King, your father, Baratheon, and Lyanna. She was already promised to Robert.
Mm.
The last two riders were Barristan Selmy and Rhaegar Targaryen. When Rhaegar won his wife, Elia Martell, and all the Smiles died.
Oh.
And he lay a crown of winter roses in Lyanna's lap.
Tough.
How many tens of thousands had to die because Rhaegar chose your aunt?
Yes, he chose her. And then he kidnapped her and raped her.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
King's Landing. Cersei sent for me. We mustn't let her sniff out any trouble.
Oh my gosh, bro.
But first, he has to take Winterfell.
You don't know that.
I do. He'll raise these lands from the Boltons. He'll rally your father's bannermen to his cause, with the North behind him. And finally take the Iron Throne.
You think he'll defeat the Boltons?
And would put his money on Stannis. As it happens, I am a betting man.
But they just, what was that? Did a partnership with the Bones, bro? Like, how is that gonna just pop up in this situation, bro?
Ness of the North.
You are the last surviving Stark. He needs you.
Not the last surviving, but
Then you will take this Bolton boy, Ramsay, and make him yours.
I don't know how.
You. He's already fallen for you.
His father frightens me.
You should. Man. But even the most dangerous men can be outmaneuvered.
yep. Oh, brother.
The North will be yours. Do you believe me?
I expect I'll be a married woman by the time you return.
He's doing all the work, bro. Oh my gosh.
That would have been a shit way to die.
As far as I've seen, they're all shit ways to die.
Aye. There's a good ending.
I don't care what's sung about me when I'm dead.
No? My sons grovel for my fortune.
How disappointing.
I've had an exciting life. I want my death to be boring.
Let's go.
Bro, just avoid the entire question, bro.
Lannisters in Dawn.
A bag of gold.
I'm not sure you understand how much people... Well,
It was a heavy bag.
and I bet he swore all kinds of oaths to get it. Breaks them.
Oh.
How many you count?
4.
How many do you think you can take?
1.
They seen him. Oh, footprints. Never mind. Dang, bruh.
Why are you here? Our ship capsized in the night. We managed to swim ashore. It's a near thing.
Thought the sharks would get us.
There are no sharks in the...
This man is selling.
Throw your swords in the sand.
Boys, there's no need for this. Point us in the right direction. We'll find our way home.
Swords in the sand.
Oh, they're not folding, bruh. Oh. Okay, that's 1 down. 2 down. Oh my gosh. His horse is done for. He just gotta hold his own this 1v1. Come on. Trained all that time. Dang, bruh. Holy. He's getting packed, bruh. Oh. Dang, bruh. Must be crazy. He went from being the best, one of the best swordsmen, like in this show, to barely be able to handle a 1v1, bruh. That's crazy.
Always wanted a Dornish stallion. Beasts. Tiring. We'll ride to the water gardens with a nice breeze in our face.
First, we need to bury the...
Birds have to eat too.
Corpses raise questions, questions raise armies. We're not here to start a war.
Yep.
Well, with one hand. Not at all, really.
We weep for your father, but nothing else. We must avenge Oberyn ourselves. Without
Themselves.
Queen Cersei loves her children, and we have one of them.
Oh. Oh, what the heck?
He's come for Marcella. If he gets to her before we do, for revenge. You must choose. Doran's way and... or my way and war.
She is not playing, bruh.
Oberyn tossed his spear at my feet and said, "Girl or boy?" But the gods let us choose our weapons. My father pointed to the... then to my mother's tears.
Oh my gosh.
I made my choice long ago.
Yeah, bruh. She already. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she'll be so annoying, bro.
Do you have wine?
Oh my gosh.
Wrong way. My sister's in Westeros. Westeros? We're heading east.
I'm not taking it to your sister.
You said you were taking me to the Queen.
I am.
Oh, he's going back to Daenerys?
So happens I was heading there myself.
What business would you have with the Queen?
Gold and glory. If you'd ever met my sister, you'd understand. So, on the same side?
Yeah, bro, that's not happening. He is not gonna untime him. That's good. Oh my gosh.
I have to ask, how exactly were you serving your queen in a whorehouse? Huh? Is it possible that you were running? Why would you be running?
Oh my gosh, bro.
Wait. You were spying on her, weren't you?
What?
To Varys's little birds. She found out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Out and exiled you.
Yep. He is just, oh my gosh. He's just finding everything out and he's not even speaking, bruh.
I'd even say desperate. You think Daenerys will execute me and... I'd say the reverse is just as likely.
You're not wrong.
I was thinking about all the times your brother made me go with him down from the Red Keep.
Why?
We like to walk among the people. We like to sing to them.
Imagine.
Other minstrels.
And what did you do?
I made sure no one killed him. And I collected the money. Well, you'd like to see how much he could make.
He was good.
He was very good. Viserys never told you.
What, bruh?
How many others are there?
50, 100.
Dang.
Go, Sir Barristan. Sing a song for me.
Your Grace.
Those who find victory in the fighting pits will never become kings, but their names will live on.
Is that what you used to tell men before you set them to butchering each other for sport?
Dang.
Your city together. Without them, former slaves and former...
Oh my gosh.
And resentment. I can't promise this is the answer to all our problems.
What is about to happen, bro? Oh my gosh. They look so tough, bruh. It's like crazy. And she's playing into it. Oh no. Crazy how easy she can just do that, bruh. You just finessing everybody. And now they're cornered. Tough. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ooh. It's going crazy, bruh. Oh. No. I just got stabbed right in the liver, bruh. Oh my gosh. And still piecing him, bruh. Bro. Yeah, he's gonna get passed out or something. Oh, he got help though. Is he gonna be enough though? I don't know, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh. Just mowing through him, bro. Oh. No. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is he alive? Oh, they might both be done for. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bruh. What an episode, bro. Oh my gosh. It's starting a flat out civil war, bro. Oh my gosh. Next episode, I already know. This is gonna lead to something huge. And Daenerys gonna have to make tough choices, especially without her supervisor now, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This season has been on a great start so far, low key. Dang. Anyways, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, comment down, show us the movies you want me to react to next. Patreon description for only $3 a month. I'll see you guys in the next video.